Today is a very confusing day. I do not know which side market wants to go. Preferably I want shorts, but like by the looks of it, we might not even get any. I don't even think I should be trading today. I should wait till 10:30, market open, resweeps another area of liquidity, and then I entry a trade. Because now pre-market I generally can't see anything. But yeah, it's like the plan for now. Genuinely don't see anything. I think it's better to just wait it out and then continue to see if I could find a clear direction where the market wants to go. Well, if it's just dumping. Think I'll be taking shots then. I might be taking shots. Yeah. But then if I genuinely want to find the highest time frame inversion, it has to be this 15-minute to get inversed. Even though this inversion will align with the higher time frame gaps, but at the same time, where else is it gonna go? This is so tough. I have no clue where would it go. It's another 5-minute gap here too. Sucks, bro. Why them gaps everywhere? Can't it just show a clear direction, bro? I'm not gonna look at a 1 minute, bro. When times like this, where you really don't know where to go, I'm gonna look for the high time frames, and then I'm gonna feel safer because it's more real, I guess. I'll delete this one. There's no point drawing the 5 minute there when there's already 1 hour gap there too. If 1 hour didn't get inversed, I got a long wick out showing a rejection block. 4 hour also is still there. Not exactly inversed. It's like just nice. So I could compare with ES right now, but genuinely I don't think this month is even a good time to compare with ES. There is a clear 4 hour gap here. Is there SMT? No, there is not. There indeed isn't an SMT. No problem, but I mean, ES inverse is 5 minute, but NQ didn't. So I need to play it safer. Okay, inverse is 5 minutes. I need a retracement of some sort. And then a respect. 10:30 market open could do anything though. I wanna break even before that happens. Oh. I'll break even before market opens. Because I'm scared. I'm scared. 15 minutes gets inversed, then that's even better for me. So 10 more minutes. Oh, that's a retracement. Is there gonna be a retracement to the 5-minute inversion? Yeah. Oh, 15 minutes getting respected so much. I'm still leaning more bearish though. But in this area, I would have to pick 15 minutes as the strongest. And 1 hour as the strongest. So it'd be 1 hour. Help inverse this 5 minute. But it's not inversing the 15 minute. So I think it's gonna push price up higher. And then inverse, and then it will continue lower. I don't think I could really get a clear trade here. My gambling wants me to do in this situation where I really don't have a clear direction, because though it's backed up by the 4 hour, backed up by the 1 hour, and the inverse the 5 minute, there's still the 15 minute that's reacting off it. Unless I could see this 15 minute gets inverse, then I would be more heavily on the sells. Then I don't think that it has a desire to push up any higher. The draws higher isn't the best either. I think there's better draws lower. That is what I feel. But what can I say? Who really knows? Nobody really knows. Nobody knows. I think there are better draws lower, because if higher is only this 1, 2, 3 draws, well lower, it's much more possible to hit this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these great draws. And there's just much better draws lower, bro. ES is showing completely different signals, and MNQ is like, it's not inversing on ES, it inverse. So that's why I'm not looking at this shit no more. Ain't no way. This is a bullish open. What the heck? Price opens up bullish. That was just MES, bro. Give me MNQ back. Get out of here, bro. The 15-minute inverse. Yeah, it inverse this 15-minute. Can't really count that as my entry here. 40 minutes till market officially opens, so we'll see. Let's see if there's any news today. There's probably no news, that's why it's so terrible. Never mind, there was news.
Good? All right, guys, I'm in Las Vegas, back, got $50,000, but that's not the special part. I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Bretsky, the GOAT, man.
This dude's about to lose 50 if he lets me make these calls.
We're
man.
about to make millions. Bretsky's a bit cold right now. We're gonna warm him up. We're gonna invest 25,000 on slots, then tables, and run that up to 100, 200,000. Let's get into it. Let's have a good session and win a bunch of money, bunch of hand pays. Let's go. Okay, got 25,000 in tickets here. Out of respect, we have to have a Bretsky call to start, man. Where do you think we're investing 1, 2, more, less of these tickets on?
One ticket going into Prosperity Link.
Wow. Okay, there it is.
$5,000.
We're split. 25,000 split down the middle.
50-50. I was only going to take 20%. Then I'm like,
but he's like,
what are
fuck
we, a
it.
pussy? I mean, I'll take 12,500.
Crazy, bro. Let's go.
All right. I never go this big. I'm spooked.
We're going big.
I mean, I don't even know what to spin with this big of a...
Let's see. Whatever you feel.
$264 spins.
I love that. Let's go big or go home.
$264
wow.
per spin. Fuck it. Oh my God, I'm spooked.
This could be crazy.
$45. Come on. Ooh,
wow.
$450 there.
Maintaining.
All right. Oh, one more.
No.
Come on, man.
Just give it to us.
That would have been sick. $264. These are like the biggest spins I've ever done already.
Really?
So good luck us.
Oh
my God,
whoa,
we hit it. We hit it.
Oh my
Something.
God.
Word. Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
We'll take the bonus.
All right. It's
That's
going
fine.
up too, I think.
and
Is it just dumping? No retracements? Could have just taken a 1 minute inverse, bro. See, not. If I actually used my rejection bottle entry and then I entered from here. How much would I be up, bro? Bro, I would have been TP'd already. Wow. This is my rejection model entry, bro. Bro, the rejection model entry is like so good, like these days though. I'm not even capping, bro. Like, what the heck? Well, back testing, I'm like, it's not working out on the back testing though. That's why I'm going back to the IFBG. Yeah, I mean, it probably just is me lah. I'm not getting the right entries in back test. I'm getting lazy to back test, but I'm not so sure either. The win rate sucks too. I mean, like 40-30% and plus, like, you can lose a lot. It's only profitable if you like aim high RRs, because you'll be down a lot. It would be a huge roll. It's absolutely not the best for prop firms. Maybe if I use rejection block entry with inverse 5 value gaps. Would that make sense? Like, it broke through this, inverse this tiny gap, and then I entry. Nah, that's not good. That wouldn't make much sense. Bro, if I took this entry though, damn bro, like for real. Can't even like short anymore because we're like so down in discount now. We're so low in discount, I can't even short, bro. Still like 5 more minutes. No, 9 more minutes before this gets inversed.
It expands, you're right. This could be insane.
Good luck,
264 spin.
Good luck, us.
Okay.
Come on.
2 more to expand.
$264.
Okay, that's up.
Oh my God, this is a lot of money.
6 more.
A lot of money. Come on. The minor is
Oh my
7,500.
God.
The mini is 3,000. I did not notice that.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Anything.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
can't.
Not
Nice.
here. Let's
Okay.
go. Come on. Get up there. Come on. Give me a word. Any word. Mini's
Okay.
fine. Mini's fine.
Give us the expand. Give
The
us
minis
something.
are not mini on $264 to spin.
Words, man.
Come on. Last spin. Don't be the last
Really?
spin.
Really?
All right. All right. All right. It's a banger
Okay.
win.
It's all right.
It's a banger.
Actually, it's not bad. Hold up here.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. That shit's counting, baby.
Wow.
4,350.
We take those.
So this is what we do. When we get a hand pay, we just get it in a ticket.
Ticket.
And that's it. We can only cash out with hand pays and
Let's do it.
Let's rip it. We got 4,380 coming out in a ticket.
That's a great start.
Let's go,
Great-
baby.
Great start.
Let's go, baby.
Got the hand pay.
And we have 3,200 and we get to keep doing massive spins. I'm
Let's go.
having so much fun.
264 spin.
I mean, you want a long here, so not possible to long here. You're longing against a 15-minute inverse. Three-minute gap, you need to wait for this. I think I just missed my entry though. I genuinely feel like I missed my entry. I don't think, like, there's no better entry. Like, you want a long? I don't really feel the longs, and I would wait 5 more minutes for market open and see where the market pushes the price to first. And then most probably there will be a manipulation first. It will be sweep, unless he wants to continue this short all the way down. I really have no clue. I don't feel like even trading anymore. I want to force back a win, so I can at least go break even today. Yesterday I won back $400 after I lost it. Today, should I try winning it back, or should I just not? It's quite tough. The rejection block entry, and all this is IFVG. Like, what? Dang, though, I don't know if I should be going back to. Sometimes the rejection block entry is just so good for one month, and then it just starts dying out. I backtested for like few months, 4 months, and it was like bad. It's like bad. It's gonna get inversed. I think it's the retrace that we're looking for. Oh, but the rejection is kind of bad. This is the retrace that I was looking for. 5 more minutes to market open, so I don't get an entry. I don't think it's like any time worth. I'm leading more onto the shots, but my stops will be so high though. I can't entry from here, bro. If I can't entry shots from here, the only better entry is longs, which I don't really want to long this. It just gets inversed, and it gets respected well. Then maybe I'll long this, maybe, but I'll break even like immediately though. It refused to inverse this, so I don't think if this gets inversed, it would be a good inverse. I'm gonna look for shots. I want price to retrace back up here. Give me another inverse and then I'll shot. I think a 1 minute inverse is also good enough. I just feel the shots today. It's better draws lower. This 50 minute gets inversed. One minute. Actually, yeah, I think it would be better if this gets inversed. Then it would be indication, correction, and then continuation lower. Indicating that's breaking down. Correction, and then continuation lower. That's what I'm seeing. This is all this better draws lower, man. That's just what I'm feeling. It doesn't have to inverse the 5 minute, but if it does, then it's a bonus. But if it just goes like ripping all the way down right after it inverses, then I wouldn't get an entry. Then I'll be forced to look for longs. Okay, price inversed. It's retracing up.
Order filled.
I'm in. TP needs to be at like a 1-to-1, but my TP is probably here. I think this is a good entry. Honestly, I don't see too bad of an entry here. Price opened up, seems extremely bearish. I'm gonna be break even here. You see all these key levels get taken out here. 160 now. I want it to go lower, at least taking out this area before I take partials. At least until here, if possible. Then it just flushes all the way down. Go to my TP1.
Order filled.
Nice. Okay, I covered up the loss, so I'm fine even if this doesn't. I'm fine even if it just goes to BE, honestly. my main goal was to cover the loss anyways. But if it can go to full TP, I'll be happy lah. I wouldn't wanna retrace anyways, because this was already the correction. I just want price to dump lower now.
Nigger.
Yes.
Nigger. Nigger.
Yes.
Nigger.
Yes.
Nigger.
Yes.
Are we playing Roblox?
You wanna play that game again?
No, not the Trauma. Other ones. Is there other
there
ones?
was a video I really wanted to show you, but then wait, no, I did send it to you, but then you can't see it because it's on TikTok. You should download a VPN
Why?
so you could see the video.
No. Even if I download the VPN, I cannot.
Why?
Because if I'm connected to a Hong Kong Wi-Fi, it bypasses it. You know what I mean?
No way, that's real. Bro, I could have gotten such a better entry if I waited for the candle to close. But it's okay. It's not that far apart anyways.
Huh?
There's a good draw. There's a clear draw here, bro. Like, genuinely a clear draw here. This is a very obvious draw that it wants to push to. No. Naughty.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Naughty. No. No.
Are you playing Roblox?
Now?
No, are you playing Roblox?
No, I'm trading, bro. Naughty. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Yes, dump down lower, lower, all the way down, all the way to the key level, bro. Just sweep this, and then whatever you want to do afterwards is up to you. Because I know the main point here is to just like get me to 400. I think this 400 would help out quite a bit, honestly. Like, just dump down like a good boy, okay? If you go up, you're a bad boy. Just go down. Down. Listen to your... Listen to Papa. And go down. Yes. Lower. That sounds so wrong. There's a clear draw on liquidity at this area. Stops us are definitely here. I don't think they are here. Nah, here's the best draw right now. Yep. Down. Good boy. Lower. You're almost there. Almost there.
Wow, it sounds like some girl sucking a dick.
Yeah. Almost there. Actually, almost there. Like, you're right there. You're so close. So close. You're so close to the spot, man. All you need to do is go lower.
Deeper.
Yeah, like deeper.
Yeah, I sent you some stuff on Instagram. Go check.
Deeper, bro. Lower, bro. Lower. I said lower. That's a bad boy. Bro. That's a bad boy. That's a bad boy. Okay, go lower. I said lower. That's a bad boy, bro. You piece of shit, bro. I said lower, right? I tell you to go lower, right? I got stopped out. He didn't take the main key level. He didn't take the draw on liquidity, bro. He didn't take the draw on liquidity, bro. Like, what? It was a clear draw on liquidity. Why does it always do this to me, man? Like, this month, right? My rejection model entry has been killing it. I had so many days of like really good entries with my rejection model, but I don't use the rejection model because on the back testing it just kept losing money. So I got pissed off and I stopped using it.
Now you're losing because you're not using it.
No, I just missed out the trade. That's it. I'm still winning. I'm just missing out the trade. Alright, let me look at analytics again. Analytics, reaction model entry. I tested from January, February, March, and April, and then April was the worst. I lost 3%
Just play
on
One
March,
Piece, bro.
7% on
Just play One Piece,
April, which is
bro.
crazy, bro.
Just play One Piece, bro.
That is so terrible, man. What the heck?
Just play One Piece,
But
bro.
for my IFVG model, it's actually quite okay.
No point trading when you're not even good at One Piece.
Nope, I'm the best player in One Piece. I don't know what you're on about, boy.
Are you sure?
Bro, it should have just taken out the key level, bro. What the heck? Take out the swing low, man. I'm glad I trailed my SL.
这里吧。先收一下，先收一下。
glad I chose my SL, bro. This trade here would have been like what? A 1 to 4.58 if I have entered since if I entered the moment market opened.
等一下可以走过去。
Which is right here. Market opened, that candle itself broke the rejection block, and then if I entered there, I would have been up so much, bro. It's okay though. Actually, still a decent trade. I mean, I could have closed here. But it's obviously just a little bit. Obviously, I wouldn't have closed it there. And let it run lower and lower. That's fine. I'm glad with the $300. It's still something. I'm just $800 away from passing.
来了。
Hey, that's quite good. Honestly, not that bad. Not too shabby. Yeah, this seems good. Whatever, bro. Now it's gonna go to my
在哪里？
liquidity,
丢一下。
bro. I know for a fact that it will.
OK
But
OK
then
OK。
I stop myself from trading. I want to change this to 3 again. Because I shouldn't have taken that morning trade at
倒一。
all, bro. Like, stupid. Really
倒二。
Wait, but why am I even locked out? I don't get it.
等一下，拉一下状
I
态。
took 4 trades. Did I? Did I take 4 trades? I did? This was my only trade, no?
船死掉。
This has to be a bug, bro. Or did it count the exit and entry as a trade? So then that's 2. I guess that makes sense.
有另一队了。
Oh, yeah, because I took partials. I forgot. That's why. Not a bad trade. It's quite okay. Sure, I could have trailed more. But 1.72 is probably decently good win rate. I'm not gonna cap, bro. It's a good retracement. I really like this 1 minute candle. 15-minute inversed, 5-minute didn't inverse, but market opened, immediately sweep out these highs and lows, showing long wicks and long rejections. I entered immediately because I just saw how it was like working out. It swept up first, grabbed this liquidity, and then I entered there. Should I have waited for the candle to close? Then I would have a better RR, which that also would maybe possibly stop me from losing so much. But it's fine. A win's a win. But this is gonna mess me up in the future because I keep entering before the candle closes. Even yesterday, I entered before the candle closed. It's really a bad habit of mine. I'm so impatient. Whenever I see it go my way, I just enter immediately. But it did hit my TP twice. But if I waited, would have been more beneficial here, and it wouldn't have been more beneficial on like or yesterday. Yeah, yesterday is the day where I didn't wait for the candle to close. Only thank God yesterday, but today I still thank God, but like, don't thank me because this is terrible of an entry. It was a good trading day today, but I really disrespected my rule, which really disappoints me. because of how I keep on like being impatient and not waiting for the candle to close. My TP would have been here, and then yeah, most definitely here because there's so many rejections, bearish rejections here. It's like if you see this kind of thing, wouldn't you want to just like sell? I'm so heavy on the sells today, bro. I'm glad I still sold because if I bought right there, I mean I wouldn't be buying there. I have to buy like here when the 1 minute got inversed, and then respect it. There was no need for CISD because you already know it's a downtrend, so it's really clear the trend has changed. Very obviously changed. There's still no CISD here, so you can't even buy. You have to wait for this, and then you enter. It's gonna be a terrible RR, but I wouldn't even enter longs for this because there's so many rejections here. Whatever, banger of a trade today. I'm gonna do a trade recap. Pre-market opened at 9:30 and price showed me a rejection block entry, but I did not take it because actually I did not even see it. I did start the stream late because I was eating. I was out, but even if I did see it, I probably wouldn't have entered this at all. I really wouldn't have taken this trade. It's been up here or down here. I think it was here, yeah. I mean, I full TP, this would be the trade if I have taken the rejection block entry. But I didn't. I waited for more confluences. I really wanted price to sweep up into the 1 hour again and give me another inversion. But price wouldn't do that and kept on dumping lower slowly. It inversed the 5 minute, then it inversed the 15 minute, then it inversed the 15 minute again. And didn't show any retracements until 10:30 market open. And the 1 minute candle that at 10:30 itself, from 10:30 to 10:31, price swept up and then sweep down, sweep back up, and showed a rejection candle wick. I entered on this candle with my stops above the support, so it was somewhere here. It was right here, and my TP was all the way at this low, this main DOL. That for the day, this was my main DOL. Knowing that price would most likely hit this too, this was my main DOL. I was expecting to get more RR out of it. My main TP was here, so from here on I started trailing my SL as my TP. So anything more than that was actually good enough because I only mainly do 1-to-1s, but this also 1 to 3.77, which is really good enough. So price showed me this wick. As soon as I entered here, the wick itself was my BE zone. This wick itself was my BE zone. So price at the second candle sweep down, went down immediately. As soon as it touched it, I break even. I wouldn't wait for the candle to close below. I just break even. That's how I do it. And 3 candles later, it's showing great rejection from a great sell side rejection. Sell side rejection, yeah, great sell side rejection. So well, price, sell side, no, this is buy side. Buy side is up, sell side is low. I don't know, it showed great rejection, showing that price wants to go lower. So price, market open, price inverse without retracement until 10:30. Price inverse a 50-minute gap and retraced into it at 10:30 with the 1 minute candle. Seeing how good the candle was, I took my entry and my stops above that candle. Risky trade, but my bias was really bearish for the day and I really wanted to look for shorts, not longs. And because of that, I took this entry. And so, lo and behold, price dumped down and I took quite a decent trade. It was a 2.49 RR if I have entered properly at this candle itself. But I didn't wait for the candle to close, so I entered somewhere around here. I'm not wrong. I still break even almost instantly anyways. So it's quite the risk-free trade. No, I entered a bit higher up because I didn't get break even. I think it was like 1 to 7, 5 or something. I took partials at BE. Oh no, I didn't take partials at BE. I took partials at a 1-to-1. And it gave me my losses back, and I was happy with that. I showed my SL all the way and stopped me out right here. 1.75. It was a valid trade. Great trade today. Clean trade. This is what I wish. Every time when I trade, I just want price to immediately run to my TP as if it is addicted to drugs. That's what I want price to always do. Whenever I enter a trade, I want it to run to my TP. No matter how far my TP it is, no matter how close my TP is, I want it to run to it instantly. If not, at least to my B, so I don't lose anything. And never to my SL. That'd be the best. Great trading day today. I took the manipulation sweep, I think. So this probably was the manipulation. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.